Advanced ML Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 5. Question 1. What is the key difference between bagging and boosting in ensemble learning? A. Bagging builds multiple models in parallel, while boosting does so sequentially. B. Bagging uses weaker models, while boosting uses stronger models. C. Bagging improves bias, while boosting reduces variance. D. Bagging increases overfitting, while boosting reduces it. The correct answer is A. Bagging builds multiple models in parallel, while boosting does so sequentially. Bagging combines models in parallel. Boosting improves models sequentially, correcting errors from previous models. Question 2. What is the main advantage of using a random forest over a decision tree? A. It has lower computational complexity. B. It reduces variance by averaging multiple decision trees. C. It works better for linear data. D. It performs better with small datasets. The correct answer is B. It reduces variance by averaging multiple decision trees. Random forests reduce overfitting by averaging many decision trees, lowering variance. Question 3. What is a key limitation of K-means clustering? A. It cannot handle categorical data. B. It assumes clusters are spherical and equally sized. C. It is very sensitive to outliers. D. It requires the number of clusters to be predefined. The correct answer is B. It assumes clusters are spherical and equally sized. K-means assumes clusters are convex and equally sized, limiting its application. Question 4. What is the key function of the activation function in a neural network? A. To normalize the output values of the network. B. To introduce nonlinearity to the network. C. To reduce the learning rate. D. To prevent overfitting during training. The correct answer is B. To introduce nonlinearity to the network. Activation functions enable neural networks to learn complex patterns by introducing nonlinearity. Question 5. What does the term backpropagation refer to in neural networks? A. It is a technique for optimizing hyperparameters. B. It is the process of adjusting weights based on error gradients. C. It is a method for initializing the weights of a network. D. It is used to improve convergence in the first few epochs. The correct answer is B. It is the process of adjusting weights based on error gradients. Backpropagation adjusts network weights by propagating error gradients backward through the network. Question 6. Which of the following techniques is commonly used to prevent overfitting in deep learning? A. Increasing the number of layers. B. Regularization methods such as dropout and L2 regularization. C. Increasing the learning rate. D. Using a very small training set. The correct answer is B. Regularization methods such as dropout and L2 regularization. Dropout and L2 regularization are used to reduce overfitting by controlling model complexity. Question 7. What is the purpose of a learning rate in training a machine learning model? A. To define the complexity of the model. B. To control how fast the model converges during training. C. To normalize the training data. D. To reduce the variance in the model's predictions. The correct answer is B. To control how fast the model converges during training. The learning rate dictates how much to adjust weights with each update. Question 8. Which loss function is most appropriate for multi-class classification problems? A. Binary cross-entropy loss. B. Mean squared error. C. Categorical cross-entropy loss. D. Hinge loss. The correct answer is C. Categorical cross-entropy loss. Categorical cross-entropy loss is used for multi-class classification problems where multiple classes exist. Question 9. Which of the following techniques can be used to handle missing data? A. Random sampling. B. Imputation or deletion. C. Increasing the sample size. D. Ignoring missing data. The correct answer is B. Imputation or deletion. Imputation fills missing values, while deletion removes records with missing data. Question 10. What is the purpose of PCA? A. To reduce the dimensionality of the data. B. To improve the performance of neural networks. C. To increase the variance in the dataset. D. To reduce the bias of the model. The correct answer is A. To reduce the dimensionality of the data. PCA reduces the number of features by projecting data onto principal components. Question 11. Which of the following is a characteristic of a convolutional layer? A. It reduces the number of model parameters. B. It performs matrix multiplication. C. It operates only on one-dimensional data. D. It only performs max pooling. The correct answer is A. It reduces the number of model parameters. Convolutional layers reduce the number of parameters by using filters and local receptive fields. Question 12. What is the curse of dimensionality? A. It refers to the difficulties of interpreting high-dimensional data. B. It occurs when the dataset size increases exponentially. C. It refers to the exponential growth of features in a dataset. D. It refers to the challenges of finding relevant features. The correct answer is A. It refers to the difficulties of interpreting high-dimensional data. The curse of dimensionality refers to the difficulty in analyzing and visualizing high-dimensional data. Question 13. Which of the following is a common use case for unsupervised learning? A. Predicting future stock prices. B. Grouping customers based on purchasing behavior. C. Classifying emails as spam or not spam. D. Predicting house prices based on features. The correct answer is B. Grouping customers based on purchasing behavior. Unsupervised learning is used for tasks like clustering and dimensionality reduction. Question 14. What is the main advantage of using a neural network over traditional machine learning algorithms? A. It requires less data. B. It can automatically extract features from raw data. C. It requires no data preprocessing. D. It guarantees better performance on small datasets. The correct answer is B. It can automatically extract features from raw data. Neural networks can learn relevant features from data automatically, reducing feature engineering. Question 15. Which metric is typically used to evaluate the performance of a regression model? A. Accuracy. B. Precision. C. Mean squared error. D. F1 score. The correct answer is C. Mean squared error. MSE measures the average squared difference between the predicted and actual values in regression. Question 16. What is the purpose of the softmax function in the output layer of a neural network? A. To scale the output values between 0 and 1. B. To convert raw logits into probabilities. C. To minimize the cost function. D. To optimize the learning rate. The correct answer is B. To convert raw logits into probabilities. Softmax converts the output of a neural network into a probability distribution. Question 17. Which of the following is an example of an unsupervised learning technique? A. Linear regression. B. K-means clustering. C. Logistic regression. D. Decision trees. The correct answer is B. K-means clustering. K-means clustering is an unsupervised learning technique used for grouping data based on similarities. Question 18. What is the purpose of early stopping during training? A. To prevent underfitting. B. To reduce computational cost by stopping training early. C. To prevent overfitting by stopping when validation error increases. D. To improve the learning rate. The correct answer is C. To prevent overfitting by stopping when validation error increases. Early stopping halts training when the model's performance on validation data worsens. Question 19. Which of the following models is particularly good for sequence data? A. Support vector machines. B. Convolutional neural networks. C. Recurrent neural networks. D. Random forests. The correct answer is C. Recurrent neural networks. RNNs are designed to handle sequence data by maintaining temporal dependencies. Question 20. What is a key challenge when deploying machine learning models in production? A. Data preprocessing is simplified. B. The model can only be deployed once. C. The model may face data distribution shifts. D. The model is always accurate. The correct answer is C. The model may face data distribution shifts. Data distribution changes over time, requiring regular model retraining to maintain accuracy.